Hello everyone. In this video, I will focus on the usage of Vern Styling Scissors 6ED combined with Vern Cutting Scissors 6E. Texturizing to cut. Create supernatural hair ends. Cut the length easily by texturizing to cut. (6ED) Slanting Texturizing. Create wispy and dimensional effects. Create dimension for this hairstyle by slanting texturizing. Boosting the curls, and the hair will be fluffier. Combined with Vern Texturizing Scissors 6EB. 6ED Slanting Texturizing. Create soft wispy effects. Create dimensional and wispy effect by slanting texturizing. Make strong supported hair roots to solve the flat problem at the crown by horizontal texturizing. If you like this video, don't hesitate to click like it. More haircut video clips on YouTube. Welcome to subscribe. Click the bell next to the subscribe button to get the notifications of latest videos.